Signing up for Positive Pay service with your bank? Treasury Software's Bank Positive Pay makes it easy. The goal of our Bank Positive Pay software is to help you convert the check register from your accounting package into a Positive Pay file you can transmit to your bank. We've made it that simple. In this video, we'll cover 3 basic steps to creating and transmitting a Positive Pay file. First, saving your check register into Excel or a CSV file. Second, importing your file into Bank Positive Pay. And third, creating your Positive Pay file and sending it to your bank. Before importing your first file, you'll want to do 2 things. First, set up your own account. You don't want to use our sample account. It resets and your data would be lost. And second, enter your Bank Express code. To set up your own Treasury software account, select File, New Account. Create is the default option. We'll name the account Checking. You may be asked to enter a bank account or region depending on your bank's requirements. When finished, you'll be switched to your new account. Now for your Bank Express code. Positive Pay files must be formatted according to each bank's specifications. Banks have their own formats, and many large banks have multiple formats. You could build your file column by column, but Treasury software has made it easy by coding many bank formats and maintaining them in a library. We've given each format a Bank Express code. Enter this code once and your Positive Pay files will be set up according to your bank's requirements. To enter your Bank Express code, go to Setup and enter the code. All new accounts will have this code unless you change it. If you've already created an account, you can apply your Bank Express code by opening the account and going to the Resume Startup tab. If you haven't gotten your Bank Express code, please contact Treasury Software Support. Now we're ready to save our check register. In this example, I've run a list of my checks from my accounting package and I've saved it to Excel. Your check register should have at least these 4 fields: date, check number, payee, and amount. Now select Import Check Register. Browse for your file using Select File. You can also copy and paste using the Paste button. Our mapping screen is next. Mapping is how we show what data is in our columns. Notice my columns are already mapped. I've imported data before, so Bank Positive Pay automatically remembered my choices. If I want to map additional fields, I highlight the column and select the field. Next takes us to the Review Records screen. Here you can review control totals and record counts. Use the plus sign to show details. Notice there is one invalid row. Invalid rows are typically blank rows, column headers, and report headers. The point is you can use your existing account reports as is. You don't need to clean them up before importing. I select Next and finish and complete the import. You could import another check run now or manually add a record. Now we're ready for step 3, creating and transmitting our Positive Pay file. Select Create File. At the top of the screen, we can review the number of records and the date range of the checks included in the transmission. Next is the method of transmission. We will be uploading the file to our bank. Other methods supported are FTP, SSL, and SSH. Please see our Settings tab for other options. There is a reminder about where the file will be saved. If you need to change the location, simply use the link in the right column. To create the file, select Create File. 2 things happen. First, a browser opens where you can log in and upload the file. Second, a prompt asks if you want to view the file. Let's take a look at the file before sending it. Keep in mind the file you see here may look different from yours. Bank Positive Pay, like all Treasury software programs, creates an audit trail for each record, from the time it's imported or manually added to when it's transmitted to the bank. As a sample report, let's view the transmittal logs. Notice the transmission file we just created is at the top. To view the records, select Record Detail. Our software also features Excel-style filtering, which allows you to easily select and view details, as well as export directly to Excel. To learn more about Treasury software and our other Treasury management products, please visit our website, treasurysoftware.com.